everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. How to play all the notes on the soprano or descant recorder with audio description. So this version is for those of you who prefer to listen along and also for my blind or visually impaired followers. The basics, we are starting with a soprano or descant recorder in C, and this is in Baroque fingering, not German. Important is that you have your left hand at the top and your right hand at the bottom. And as I go through the video, I'm going to be using a numbering system for which holes are closed. On the back of the recorder, you have your thumb hole. This is hole 0, and we cover it with the left thumb. On the front of the recorder, the top hole is number 1, and that's covered with the left index finger. The second hole, number 2, is covered with the left middle finger. The third hole, number 3, is covered with the left ring finger. That's our left hand. Moving to the right, the fourth hole, number 4, is covered with the right index finger. The fifth hole, number 5, is covered with the right middle finger. The sixth hole, number 6, is covered with the right ring finger, and the seventh hole, number 7, is covered with the right little finger. Half holes. Sometimes I will ask you to do a half hole. If this is on finger 6 or 7, that's our right ring finger, right little finger. That's because we actually have double holes there. So if I ask you to do half 6 or half 7, that means we cover just the outer hole and not the inner hole. If I ask you to do half 0, that means I want you to take your left thumb and pinch it slightly to half open the hole at the back. This is to reach our higher octave. To recap, the thumb hole on the back is 0. The left hand fingers are 1, 2, 3. The right hand fingers are 4, 5, 6, 7. When giving a fingering, if I name those numbers, those are the holes to close. For example, A is 0, 1, 2, closed. The numbers I do not name are holes you can leave open. For each note, I'm going to tell you how to get there from the previous note. I'm going to describe the number fingering system, and I'm going to play it. Let's go! Starting with low C, everything covered, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C sharp, we're going to shift finger 7, the right little finger, so that hole is half open. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half 7. D, we're going to lift finger 7, your right little finger. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D sharp or E flat, we're going to shift your finger 6, your right ring finger, so the hole is half open. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half 6. E, lift finger 6, your right ring finger. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F, lift finger 5, your right middle finger. Replace 6 and 7, your right ring and pinky fingers. F, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. F sharp. Lift fingers 4 and 7 and replace fingers 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. G. Lift the fingers of your right hand. 0, 1, 2, 3. A note, even when you're just closing holes with your left hand, your right hand stays on the instrument. Your right thumb supports the recorder and your fingers float near the holes so they're not too far away. G sharp or A flat. Lift finger 3, your left ring finger, and replace fingers 4, 5 and half 6. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, half 6. A. Lift all the fingers of your right hand. 0, 1, 2. B flat or A sharp. Lift finger 2 and replace finger 3. And we're also going to add 5 and 6 for the tuning. So we have 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. B flat. B flat actually has a second common fingering. They are both correct in context, so I'll give you the other one here. That is 0, 1, 3, 4. B. Lift fingers 3 and 4, so we just have 0, 1. C. Lift finger 1 and replace finger 2, so we have 0 and 2. C sharp or D flat. We're going to lift 0, our thumb, and replace finger 1. So we only have fingers 1 and 2 on the instrument. 1 and 2. D. We'll lift finger 1, so we only have finger 2, our left middle finger, on the recorder, and of course we're supporting with our right thumb too. D sharp or E flat. We're going to replace fingers 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our full fingering is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No thumb, no first finger. Fantastic! Now we are entering the second register of the recorder, where we hit those high notes by pinching our thumb at the back. Half whole zero, half zero. So let's go for the note E, our high E. We've got half zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For high F, we're lifting finger 5, replacing finger 6. Half zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. F sharp or G flat, we are lifting fingers 4 and 6 and replacing finger 5. Half zero, 1, 2, 3, 5. For G, take away finger 5. So we have half zero, 1, 2, 3. G sharp or A flat. Lift finger 3 and replace finger 4. So we have half zero, 1, 2, 4. We have to blow a bit carefully for this one. For A, lift finger 4. So we have half zero, 1, 2. For B flat, replace fingers 5, 6 and half 7. So we have 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, half 7. For B, lift fingers 5 and 6 and replace finger 4. So we have half 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. And for the high C, lift finger 2. So we have half 0, 1, 4, 5. And let's give it some blowing. Fantastic! We have covered 2 chromatic octaves of the soprano or descant recorder. But if you want to stick around, we do have an extended range. We can go a bit higher and lower. And for that, we're going to need a new hole. Where is this hole going to come from? The hole in the bottom of your recorder on the bottom of the instrument we call number 8, and we can cover that one too with our knee. So if you're holding your recorder and I'm sitting down, I'm going to move down a bit towards my knee and stop that bottom hole with my leg. So that's what I mean when I say number 8. Let's continue up with high C sharp or D flat. We have 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. I'll repeat that. 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. For D, just remove number 8. So we have 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. Depending on your recorder, you might need to slide finger 7 around to find the tuning. It sounds like this. Lovely. For high D sharp, E flat, we're going to 0, 2, 3. For E, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. For the high F, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Woohoo! F sharp or G flat, we're removing number 8. So we have 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. And yes, that is the same fingering as E, we're just hitting a different register. It's a nice party trick. And for the highest note I'm going to show you today, that top G, 0, 1, 4. It's not a bad idea to wear earplugs when practicing those really high notes. There are also 2 notes in the lower extended range that I'm going to show you using our knee. The first is a low B. We're going to hit that lowest C by covering all of the holes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're going to shade half of hole 8 with your knee, and that will take us down to the E. And if we close all of the holes on our recorder and then close hole 8 fully, it's going to drop us down to a lower harmonic, the low F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there we have it, notes covering a 3-octave range of the soprano or descant recorder. Next week I'll be back with the same for the alto or treble recorder. If you have questions or comments, then leave them below. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face in the right hand corner. If you'd like to support Team Recorder on Patreon, you can click in the left hand corner, and in the top 2 corners are other videos that I think you'll like. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!